In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Woocommerce checkout page. Editing the Woocommerce checkout page can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not familiar with WordPress or Woocommerce. However, it's a crucial part of creating a seamless experience for your customers and potentially boosting your sales. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to customize your checkout page easily and efficiently. First things first, let's start by getting into the dashboard of your WordPress site. This is where all the magic happens. From posts and pages to plugins and settings, your WordPress dashboard is the control center for your website. If you're already logged in, you should see a black bar at the top of your site, indicating you're in the WordPress environment. If not, simply log in using your credentials and you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Now you're in the digital heart of your WordPress site. The next step is to navigate to the Woocommerce section. You'll find this on the left-hand menu bar. Look for the Woocommerce icon. It's usually a price tag, which is quite fitting. Clicking on this will zoom you into the Woocommerce world, revealing options like orders, coupons, reports, and more. But for our purpose today, we're focused on another aspect. Within the myriad of options under WooCommerce, you want to find the checkout form. This might not stand out immediately, so take your time to familiarize yourself with the interface. Clicking on checkout form will take you to the page where you can start making your edits. This is where the real customization begins. Now, let's pause for a moment. Before we dive into editing, it's important to understand that the checkout form is a critical part of the customer's shopping experience. It's your last chance to convert a browsing visitor into a paying customer. Hence, any changes you make should aim to simplify and streamline the checkout process. Removing unnecessary fields, optimizing for mobile, adding reassuring security badges, these are all strategies you can consider. Back in our WooCommerce dashboard, under checkout form, you'll find various settings that allow you to customize fields, adjust layouts, and even integrate with different payment gateways. The options here are quite extensive, and while it may feel overwhelming at first, I encourage you to explore each setting. Hover over the info icons for explanations about what each setting does, or click into them to see the options available. As you make your changes, remember to save your work. There's nothing more frustrating than spending time customizing your checkout page, only to lose all your adjustments because you forgot to hit Save. Once you're done, it's crucial to test the checkout process yourself. Go through it as if you were a customer, ensuring everything works smoothly and intuitively. This step is often overlooked but can make a significant difference in the customer experience. And there you have it. Editing your WooCommerce checkout page doesn't have to be complex or time-consuming. With a clear guide and a bit of patience, you can significantly enhance your store's checkout experience, encouraging more customers to complete their purchases. Before we wrap up, here are a few parting tips. Always keep the user experience in mind. The simpler and more intuitive your checkout process is, the better. Consider adding custom CSS or hiring a developer for more elaborate changes that can't be achieved through the WooCommerce settings alone. Regularly update WooCommerce and your WordPress theme to ensure compatibility and access to the latest features and security improvements. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has demystified the process of editing the WooCommerce checkout page. Remember, every little improvement can lead to a better customer experience and ultimately more sales. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on enhancing your WooCommerce store.